Categorizing and classifying. What does it exactly mean to categorize and classify? To make it simply put, classifying means to take several items and put them together based on a similarity that they have in common. Categorizing, simply put, means to give that similarity or that group a name. What does it have in common? What do you see that is the same? What do you see that is similar? That's what it means to classify and categorize. Let's do an example. Say I were to walk into a kindergarten classroom and I notice that there are a group of students who are sitting at a table who are playing with different toys. The students are sitting, let's say, in a discovery center. They're really enjoying the toys that they're playing with. And I walk over and I ask them what they are doing, and they say that they are classifying and they are categorizing. Now, there are several ways that these toys could be classified and categorized. The toys that you see here that I just drew are the toys that I would see if I walked into this kindergarten class with the students who are sitting at the table playing. I have a pink circle, pink triangle, pink diamond, and what looks like a pink cloud. I have the exact same shapes in purple color and exact same shapes in the green color. Now, if I wanted to classify these shapes, what I could do is one way of classifying would be maybe I wanted to classify them by their shape. So I take all of the circle toys and I put all of the circles together in one group. I do the same for the triangles, I do the same for the diamonds, and I do the same for what looks like the cloud toys. Or I could turn around and take all of the toys that are blue and put them aside and put them in one group. Do the same with the pink toys and the same with the green toys. Either way you look at it, I would have 3 different groups if I wanted to classify them as their colors, and I would have 4 different groups if I wanted to classify them based on their shapes. Now let's do another example. Let's take a look at dogs' toys. As I sit here right now making this video, I am sitting right next to my dog's toys. By the way, has a ton of toys. And I look at all of the different shapes and all of the different colors toys that he has. For example, he has 2 purple toys. He has 3 green toys. He has 1 yellow toy. And he has 4 pink toys. Now if I wanted to classify his toys, I could classify them based on their color. I would take his 2 purple toys and I would set them aside because they are the purple toys, and I would categorize them as purple. I could take his 3 green toys and put them in a separate group and categorize that as green. I would take his 1 yellow toy and categorize that as yellow, and his 4 pink toys and categorize that as pink. I could also turn around and categorize them by shape. His 1 purple toy is a lot longer than his other purple toy, but I feel that this purple toy here is the same size as his green toy. So I would turn around and I would put his 1 purple toy and his 1 green toy together. Why? Because they are the same shape. Now when I look at his yellow toy and I look at 3 out of the 4 pink toys, I notice that all 4 of these toys are the longest out of the whole bunch that he has. Therefore, I would put all 4 of these toys in its own separate group. And then I would make the remaining purple toy, the 2 remaining green toys, and the remaining pink toy in their own category as medium-sized toys. So I have here what are small toys, medium length toys, and large length toys. So as you could see, I could classify his toys in 2 different ways. I could classify them based on their color, or I could base these toys on their length, and that's what I have chosen to do with his toys.